How to dehydrate fruits and vegetables. Dehydrated foods are flavorful, healthy and long-lasting. Dehydrated foods retains nutrients and flavor. Dehydrate fruits, vegetable, meats and cooked meals. Use a food dehydrator with a back-mounted fan to dry foods evenly. Follow guidelines based on the type of food dehydrator you use. Vacuum sealers to package dehydrated foods. You can also use Ziploc bags, glass, or plastic jars. Make sure they are tightly sealed. Store in a cool and dry place. Dehydrated foods can be stored for a very long time. Fruits to dehydrate are apples, strawberries, mangoes, pineapples, cherries, peaches, grapes, plums, pears, rhubarb, cranberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, lemons, oranges. Dehydrate your vegetables: zucchini, bell peppers, peas, sweet potatoes, onions, carrots, tomatoes, squash, kale, corn, celery, green beans, leafy greens, mushrooms. Herbs to dehydrate: basil, thyme, oregano, rosemary. The list is endless. Enjoy!